Hello friends, welcome to the making of a banana cake game in Scratch. And this is the first part of this tutorial, and in this video we are going to make the mechanism for tracing out the path of the ball before the player hits the ball. And if you want to support my channel, please subscribe it, and I would be happy if you like and comment my video as well. So let's start. First of all, we can see we have got our empty project, and we have got only one sprite here right now, this cat default sprite. And first of all, we are going to make our own football ground here. So for that, let's go to the choose a background option here, and we are going to click on paint. So let's paint our football ground first. To paint the football ground, I'll just select a rectangular shape, and then let's fill the color with green color. This one looks good. Okay, let's make a very large rectangle, and then let's select a line shape, and we are going to choose a color for the outline, the white color. Great. And let's make it about 7 pixels thick, and let me just draw some lines out here in the center and here. Okay, and let me just make a center circle here. For that, I'll just choose a circular shape and click on the fill here, and I'll make the transparent color for the inside of the circle, and for the outline we will just choose the white color. And let me make a circle in the center here like this. Okay, it looks like a football ground now. Great. And let's get back to code. So this is the code for the background. So let me click on the sprite one again. So this is our default sprite, and we will be making the code here for this sprite. This default cat sprite will be hidden, or we will make its size so small that we cannot see, and we will attach a pen extension to this sprite, so for tracing out the path. So let's do that. For that, let me go to the here, add an extension button, and then we need a pen extension here. Click here. So we have got the pen extension, and we have got the codes blocks for our pen. And next we also need a football sprite also. So for that, let's go to choose a sprite option, click here, and let's search for the soccer ball, SOCC soccer ball. Let's click here. So this will be our soccer ball, and let's place our soccer ball right here in this place. And next, let's get back to this cat sprite. Click on the cat sprite, and now let's make the code for tracing out the path. So we will make the path trace out when we press the space key. It will start tracing the path of the mouse pointer, and if we click on the we left click or do mouse down, then we will stop tracing the path. So that's what we are going to make. So for that, let's go to the events menu first, drag a when green flag click block, yeah, and next when we click on the green flag, we'll make a broadcast that will just broadcast a message to start the game. So let's drag a broadcast and wait. Okay, broadcast and wait message here, and we are going to write our own message called restart, restart. Click OK. Okay, so when we click on the green flag, it will broadcast a message called restart, and after that we will attach the code that will restart or reset all the positions of the game. So let's drag when I receive a message block, and here we are going to select restart, and here we are going to put all the codes for initializing the positions and other stops for our game. First of all, we might want to initialize the position of this soccer ball also. So let's get back to soccer ball, and here we do the same thing. We drag when I receive a message block and choose this message called restart, and when we receive this message in the soccer ball, we'll make the soccer ball go in this position. This is the initial position for our soccer ball. Okay, so let's go to the looks menu, not on the looks menu, I mean the motions menu, and drag go to XY block here, so that now if our soccer ball is right there and we want to make it in the initial position, if we click on the green flag, look, the soccer ball is back here. Sorry. Next, let's decrease the soccer ball size a little bit. Just from here, I'll just make it to 70, and the size of the soccer ball looks good now. Okay, now let's get back to the sprite one, our sprite, and then let's start making the mechanism for drawing out or tracing out the path for the soccer ball. For that, we might want to go to the pen, our extension, the pen menu, and here we have got a different blocks of code for pen extension. So first of all, let's choose a color, drag a, where is it, set color, not this one, set pen color, drag it, attach it with the when restart message block, and here we are going to select a white type of color. This one. Okay, this looks good. So we set the color to this color, the pinkish color, and next let's set the size of the pen also. Drag where is the size, set pen size, drag this set pen size block, and we are going to set the size to 20. Great. And then let's also drag erase all block, so if there was any trace of the path, then we'll erase it. And next our character, or we need to start tracing the path from this point, from this soccer ball, the initial position of the soccer ball. For that, let's go to motion and drag a go to random position block and attach it here, and we are going to select soccer ball. Okay, and let's see what happens right now. If I click on the green flag, look, so our cat sprite also goes towards this soccer ball. That's good. And next we need to make a variable for tracing out the path, so let's do that. Let's go to variables and click on the make a variable, and here we are going to make a variable of FINISHED finished DRAWID. Click OK. So we have got a variable called finish drawing, and we are going to set it to 0 for the initial, and after we have finished drawing, we will set it to 1 to check if it is finished or not. So let's drag a set finish drawing variable here and set it to 0 at the first. And next it's time to draw now. So to draw, we will start drawing when we click on the space key. So let's do that. For that, let's go to events menu and where is it, drag a when space key pressed block here, and after that, what do? We broadcast a message called start drawing. Okay, So let's go to events menu again and drag a broadcast and wait block and attach it with the when space key press block, and we are going to broadcast a new message called start drawing, START, start DRAWING drawing. Click OK, and after we send the message called start drawing, so let's receive the message. Drag a when I receive a message block, and we are going to select the message start drawing. So when we receive this message, we start drawing. So let's start. For a drawing, let's go to pen, and let's also erase all the things before. Yeah, if there is any trace of the drawing or the pen, we are going to erase it first. Next, let's go to motion, and where is it? Go to random position block, drag it, and we are going to go to soccer ball. Yeah, and after that we are going to go to pen, and here we are going to draw. So to draw, we actually do called pen down. So let's drag this pen down here. And after that it starts drawing. Yeah, once we do the pen down, it starts drawing. So, and next we will go to control and drag repeat until block, and we'll check until we will draw until the finished drawing variable becomes 1. For that, let's go to operator and drag a equals to operator. Next we go to variables, drag a finished drawing variable inside one of the place of the operator, and then we are going to check it with 1 and drag this whole operator inside the repeat until block like this. And here inside here, let's go to motion and drag a go to random position block inside here, and we are going to select mouse pointer. So what does it do? So when we receive a message called start drawing, we erase everything first, then we go to the soccer ball, and then we start drawing. Yeah, by pen down means we start drawing. So way up to when we start drawing, up to finished drawing becomes 1. So if finished drawing variable becomes 1, we get out of the loop. And if we are inside the loop, what do we do is we go to mouse pointer. So the pen will follow the mouse pointer wherever it goes, and that's how it draws. Okay, it goes towards the mouse pointer, then it start drawing. And after the drawing is finished, we will do pen up. So let's go to the pen again and drag a pen up variable here. So this pen up will stop drawing. So pen down will start drawing and pen up will stop drawing. And next we need to actually change this finished drawing variable, and I already said you at first. So we will start drawing when we press the space key, and we will stop drawing when we click the mouse. Okay, for that let's go to the events menu and drag a when drag a when I receive a message block. Again, another when I receive a message block, and inside here let's go to control and drag a forever loop, and inside this forever loop we are going to place and if block, and we are going to check if we have done mouse down or not. Mouse down means mouse click. Okay, so for that we go to sensing and drag a mouse down here. Okay, so drag this mouse down inside this if, so it will check if we have clicked the mouse or not. If we have clicked the mouse, we need to set this finish drawing to 1. So let's go to variable and drag a set finish drawing inside this if block here, and we are going to set this to 1. So once we do the mouse down or we click on the mouse, it will set the variable finish drawing to 1, and once it happens, then it will get outside of this loop and it will stop drawing the path. And now let's see, does it draw the path or not. If I click on the green flag, Now our game is started, and I will press the space key. Now let's see, did we trace the path? Absolutely yes. And if I click on the mouse, it will stop it here. Yeah, now it doesn't draw, so we have already made the path. And we can see our cat sprite also moves here, so let's hide our cat sprite. So to hide the cat sprite, we don't actually do like this. So if I do like this, what happens? Let's see. I click on the green flag and I press the space. Does it draw? Great, it does the path. Yeah, so it's good now. And this is how we trace the path of our ball first. Yeah, press on the space key, and whatever path we want to make, it will trace out. And if we click the mouse pointer, then it stops tracing the path. And that's the first part, guys, for making the banana kick game. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Before that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, guys.